Connecting the refrigerator water line is a useful project that will reap endless benefits. Follow these steps to install a refrigerator water line like a pro. Here's what you'll need. First, check to see if your kitchen has an existing water line. If not, determine the shortest path from your sink to the refrigerator. Before starting, make sure to shut off the water supply below the sink or at the main house shutoff. Tap the sink tap using a T-fitting. Cut the water supply line with pipe cutters. Then, attach the T-fitting to the shutoff valve. Tighten the fitting by hand and secure with a wrench. Tubing should be 1/4 inch in diameter and made of copper line, braided steel, or plastic tubing. Add an additional 6 to 8 feet of tubing to allow some slack for the water line so you can easily move the refrigerator to clean. Drill a 1/4 inch hole through the cabinets for the tubing along the determined path. Feed the tubing through your cabinets. Use a nylon or cable clamp every 2 to 3 feet to secure the line to the cabinet backing. Before connecting the water line to the back of your refrigerator, wrap the connection threads with sealing tape to prevent leaks. Attach the end of the water line to the connection point and use a wrench to tighten the nut. Now you'll need to connect the water line to the supply valve. Tighten with a wrench. Check the connections to make sure no water is leaking and tighten if needed. Run a few gallons of water through your water dispenser and discard your first few batches of ice. Periodically remove and replace your water line for cleaning, ensuring fresh water for years to come. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.